Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers under $300? In this video, we will look at some of the best cheap 3D printers under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2. Tech specs. Weight: 17.19 pounds. Dimensions: 18.5 x 18.7 x 24.41 inches. Frame design: Open Comgro's Creality Ender 3v2. Wins our award for the best cheap 3D printer overall, priced at $280. This cheap 3D printer is compatible with laptops and PCs. The printer is made of tempered glass and aluminum, and it includes a self-developed silent motherboard that significantly enhances performance with more stable, soundless printing. The device features a 4.3-inch smart color screen for ease of use. For added safety, it uses a UL-certified Meanwell power supply that's concealed, can automatically resume printing, so you won't lose progress. Number 2. 3 Doodle Create Plus. Tech specs. Weight: 1 pound. Dimensions: 4.45 x 3.15 x 0.2 inches. Frame design: Pen. 3 Doodle Create Plus takes a different approach to 3D printing with a pen design. The device utilizes dual drive technology for faster, better 3D prints. How does it work? The pen heats up plastic so you can create 3D drawings and doodles. The plastic hardens almost instantly, giving you a 3D picture of your design. It works on clothing as well as many other surfaces to give you a custom-made image you can't get anywhere else. Number 3. Toybox 3D Printer. Tech specs. Weight: 15.21 pounds. Dimensions: 7.4 x 7.4 x 9.05 inches. Frame design: Open Toybox 3D Printer is a cheap 3D printer made specifically for children. The easy, one-touch control makes it self-sufficient for younger children, especially with its Wi-Fi connection. No adjustments are needed while it runs, and the small size makes it easy to handle. Plus, thousands of toys are available within the Toybox catalog to keep your child busy for weeks to come. Number 4. Ziz Printing Davin Mini. Tech specs. Weight: 22.1 pounds. Dimensions: 20 x 16 x 18 inches. Frame design: Open. If you're new to 3D printing, Ziz Printing Davin Mini is our pick for the best cheap 3D printer. It couldn't be easier to use. No assembly is required with a plug-and-play design. Plus, it offers super fast printing with a 200-micron resolution. Simply connect to Wi-Fi, and you're well. Number 5. Eligo Mars 2 Pro. Tech specs. Weight: 13.67 pounds. Dimensions: 22.44 x 11.42 x 11.42 inches. Frame design: Closed slot printing is a type of special industrial printing, and Eligo Mars 2 Pro is the best at it. It offers a monochrome LCD screen with 2K HD resolution for easy viewing. It's super fast, requiring just 2 seconds to create each layer of your design. Plus, it uses an even UV light emissions for improved detail. The machine itself has a solid, sturdy build, and it comes with a